Hello fellow creatives, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Here we make fashion tutorials, DIY sewing tutorials, and we even make natural hair content sometimes. So yeah, if you know that those are what you're interested in and you want to learn more about sewing, you want to learn more about natural hair, please make sure you subscribe. And if you're not new, this is your second time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for coming back to watch my new video. So yeah, today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be a launch. I'm going to be launching my Valentine's Day series, and I'm literally so excited about that. So let me just jump straight into telling you what it's going to be about. So as we all know, Valentine's Day is a day of fun. It's a day of love. We go out with our loved ones, we go out to eat, go out on dates and all of that. So this is the time that babes are gonna want to go all out. They're gonna want to look cute and all of that. So I just decided that instead of just like making dresses and just putting them on here, I wanted it to be like a series. I wanted to put all of these dresses into one. So that is how I came up with this series. So yeah, in this series I'm going to be making 5 dresses, and they're going to be catering to different aesthetics and different vibes that you may want your dress to give off on that day. So the first dress that we're gonna have is the girly girl, the girly vibe. Then we're gonna have the baddie vibe. Then we're gonna have the extravagance and extra vibe. We're gonna have the laid back but classy vibe, and then we're gonna have the mature and sophisticated vibe. So yeah, those are the 5 dresses that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to be making this video a fabric haul as well, so that you get to see the different fabrics and pictures of like sketches of what I plan to do with these dresses. The first fabric that we have here is the girly girl fabric. So as you can see, this is really girly. Yeah, so it's just like a tulle fabric with like really cute detailing, like the gold is like, can you see the gold on it? It's really cute. And yeah, so I'm going to be pairing it with these. So I'm going to be pairing it with this white material, just like this. So yeah, I'm going to be making this dress. I'm going to put the sketch on the screen there. So that is the dress I'm going to be making with this. It's going to give girly girl vibes. It's going to be so cute. It's going to be a cute dress, like simple. It's going to be a cute dress. Then the next one we have Extravaganza. Okay, sorry, that was such a fail. This is not part of this. Extravaganza is the feathers for me. Yeah, I'm going all out. It's like period. I'm going all out with this. Like, can you see this? Yeah. So I'm going to be pairing it with this beautiful red sateen material. Yeah, this is going to be the extra vibe, because trust me, this dress is going to scream extra. The fact that it's even red on Valentine's Day, that just shows that I'm about to pop all out and you can't tell me nothing. Like, I look cute, and that's all that matters, period. Yeah, so that is the vibe that this dress is giving. So yeah, that is this dress. And then we have this dress, really beautiful. It's gonna be like a baddie outfit, and you know how our baddie outfits are now. You get me now, you get the vibe. But even if you don't get the vibe, don't worry, you will get the vibe when I post it. Yeah, so this is the dress, and this is the accessory, and this is what I'm gonna pair it with. This is like a crepe material, so it has a little bit of stretch, so it's gonna really fit on the body. This is gonna be a really tight fitted dress, just to fit the baddie aesthetic and all of that. So yeah, that is this for this. Then we have this is the material that I'm gonna use to make the laid back classy vibe outfit. So it's just gonna be like a silk dress. So yeah, this is what's gonna be, and this is how it's gonna be like on the screen. This is a sketch of what it's gonna be like on the screen. And then last but not least, we have this dress, and this dress is gonna be the let's say sophisticated, classy. Well, so yeah, this is this really cute. I really don't know what kind of material I'm gonna call this, but it's just a material, and it has like this fur detailing on it. Really cute, really cute. Okay, so yeah, that is that for the materials. For the dresses that I'm going to be making. And then I'm also going to be making accessories. I'm going to be making a necklace and a bag. I'm going to be using beads to make them. Finally, I'm going to have beads making tutorials on my channel, because it's been a while. Like, not even it's been a while. I've never done bead making tutorials on my channel. So the first one I'm going to be making a bead bag, and it's going to be really cute. It's going to be something that I'm going to pair with, like, you know, so if you're into beads as well, there's a tutorial coming for you. Okay. Oh my god, why is it so hard to open? Can you see it? It's really, really cute. It's like pearls, and pairing them with these. It's gonna look really, really cute, really, really nice. So yeah, that is this for the bead bag that I'm gonna be making. And then I'm also gonna be making a beaded necklace. It's not gonna be anything like that fancy though, but it's just gonna be, you know, cute and simple. So I just got some beads, got like small packs from the market. I got sand beads. Well, these are a little bit bigger than sand beads, but yeah, I got these beads, 3, and then I got 1 pack of straw beads, and then I just got fishing line. I also have fishing line for that one as well, just putting that out there. So that is it for this video. That is it for my haul / unveiling of my series. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this because, you know, I just love how all the dresses that I'm going to be making are going to, you know, be catered to one particular person. So yeah, I really hope that, you know, you join me on this, you know, series journey, I guess. Should I say that? Yeah, so best believe all the tutorials are going to be really detailed, and they're going to, you know, really help you, you know, make that outfit, make that wonderful outfit for your Valentine's Day, so that you can look pink, so that you can look nice. And after making it, if they ask you, wow, your dress is so nice, where did you get it? You say, I made it myself. Yeah, you're gonna be like, yep, I made it myself. Do you understand that vibe? Okay, that's the vibe. So yeah, so if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe right now, like right now. You see that button is okay, I don't think it's like a button anymore, but you see that subscribe, it's so very big. It's at the side of my my name and my icon. Click on that button, and after you click on it, you click on the bell too, so that to notify you when I post. Okay. All right, so yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you on the start of my Valentine's Day series. Bye.